Yo, what's good, my G's? So, I know it's been a while, and I be inconsistent. Oh, you see, that's what happens when you're inconsistent. Anyways, me and my homies, we took a trip. We got the whip out here, we got the Airbnb. I'm about to show you guys the Airbnb. I'm gonna give you a little tour right now. Boom, pink door, lit, nice light, ooh. Boom, my room. All right. You gotta stay fresh and clean. Good vibes.
Wait, they gotta see the drip.
I gotta see the drip facts. I'm giving them a tour, son.
Well, my stomach is busting.
Like, alright, so see the drip? They got the sock right here. Got the pants right here. Zip, you see the vibes, kid. You see the do-rag. Gotta keep that balance. Check out this closet right here. So we got these flowers. Damn. Look at this suitcase right here.
It matches.
You see that? Moon Bear died here. Go hit that up, kid. Oh my god. You didn't even see the drip right here yet. Oh. Yo, son. And then we got this room right here. Yo, what's up? Oh, you're using the iron board?
Yeah.
Lit. Check out the bathroom.
bathroom?
Oh no, I was just saying check out the bathroom. I was just doing a little tour. That's the crib for right now. I'm about to freshen up, take a shower, and then we go.
GoPro start recording. Is that okay?
It's good. Now I feel fresh. Just got out the shower. Now we about to head to the supermarket. Get them fruits and veggies. Oh, check this out. Yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta lock the door. How am I supposed to lock this? I think we're good. Time to hop in the whip. Let's go. Starbucks coffee. It's like 12 o'clock. About to get some breakfast right now. What up? My guy got some coffee. Damn. We on the boulevard, Wilshire Boulevard right now. Damn, it's about to die. You gotta hit the Tesla supercharge. So how are we supposed to charge this? I don't know exactly. I remember pressing something and something came out. Ooh.
Okay, unlocked it.
Oh, lit. Oh, right here. What the frick? Apparently, I'm not backed up enough. I have to back up some more. What the freak? What the hell? The Tesla's too smart. It ended up closing the thingy.
And I was like, what was that?
It's like, whoa, you're moving? Nice. We have to go to the 5th floor. It's actually closer to the whip. Here, the stairs are closer than the escalator. That's the elevator. Boston. Yo, you hungry, dude? You hungry, dude? Alright, yo, let's get him some food. Let's get,
You want to spend 5?
I'll spend 5, son. I'm chilling. Like,
you want the big pieces, right?
yeah. Big pieces. Gotta give back to the environment. Damn.
You just show it to her and then throw it like a baseball as far as you can. She's going to go get it and come back to you just like a dog.
What?
I don't care how far you throw it. She's going to go get it.
No way.
If she doesn't go get it, I'll give you another one for free.
I bet. Okay, cool. Take off.
Hold up. Wait for it. Wait for the leg guard.
Oh, yeah, true. That's just like a decoy?
What's that?
Like
nah, I be catching fish.
Oh, you be catching fish?
Yeah,
nice.
Caught.
Oh, fire.
For real, bro.
What?
This ain't no solid. This is shit you see.
Yeah, I f that, son. Hell yeah, let's do that. Ops is almost gone.
We'll do business after, bro. Enjoy yourself.
I bet, yeah, facts. Oh, ladies first.
Somebody wants to feed the sea lion like this good family over here. They pay $5. Wash your hands as soon as you get done, Miss Lady. Don't worry about it. I got you.
So you want more? Yo, I got you, fam. Yo, you want that eye and that brain, son? This is not vegan. This is not vegan, but it's all good.
Like, hell yeah, I'm gonna eat that.
Just watch them birds. The birds will watch you too.
They're like, they're trying to finesse. Yo, look at you. Why you trying to get next to my homie? Oh, she's trying to get it. Yo, they fighting. He's back, baby. You want some tail now? I got you, son. I got you, Sam. You smell that? Smell that in the air, right? Oh, it's falling. Oh, that bird got you tight. So we still got 3 pieces left, yo. All right, yo, right here. You hit the brains now this time.
I kind of want to like throw it down like
Right in front of it? Okay. Yeah, you want to do the last one?
You got that?
No.
I'll record you.
Okay, bet.
I'll do it with like my not dirty.
$1, guys.
Fresh
sushi.
sushi. I'm gonna just drop it into his mouth. You ready, buddy boy?
You don't miss.
Thank you, my
Yeah, man.
Yo, what's up? So look, I know I'm at Santa Monica and it's a very tourist thing to be doing, but it's all good because look, yo, this girl's about to get jumped at the beach. Look, they got her surrounded. Can I give him a fry? Oh my! Yo, look, they're jumping and shit. They want the fries. Yo, take the fries, boys. Oh. Okay, keep one. And by the time you leave, I'll give it to them. Wow, thank you. I'm gonna make sure they don't know you gave it to me, because then they're gonna get mad. Yo! Oh! Oh! Yo, I got the food! Yo! 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 Oh! Oh! Yo, I can't! Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Who's taking it, huh? Yo, take the fry! Ah! Ah! Yo, I don't got no more! Get that sweaty. Yeah, number 9. Your boy's number 12. You know the vibes. So we just got done on that ride with the sharks. Now we about to hit this ride with the dragon. With the dragon. but I think you might not be good too. But throw on you. What's the next ride?
Roller coaster.
Damn, oh. Damn, yo, this quality looks great.
I'm about to shit myself.
But they can't come on that side. No, get a job. Other way, Judy, other way, other way.
She was looking at it too. Oh my god.
That's not, that is. Wow, this is beautiful. Get that.
Facts. My phone had died earlier. I wasn't able to film anything else after that ride, which happened to be our last ride, so it was cool anyways. We basically walked back to the car and then came to the Airbnb, and it was actually sick because that was probably one of the first times I really like went to Santa Monica and rode the rides. And yo, I fed a sea lion today. Like, that was so sick. Had so much fun. It was crazy. Made some beats and some songs for a little bit. That was pretty tight. I'm gonna be making more videos soon in California, showing you more of what we do. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Malibu. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's up to you. I'm still gonna post videos anyways. I do appreciate the love though. So, you know the vibes. Peace out.